What I'm about to talk about today is going to piss off some people, especially bow hunters. Gun hunters will probably clap, but it can happen to them too. Welcome back to the Shifted Hunter channel. I'm Derek Talbot, aka the Shifted Hunter. Today I want to talk about bow hunters and shot placement and tracking animals. I watch a lot of videos, hunting videos with bow hunters that take bad shots. Why the fuck are you taking bad shots? I mean, I get it. It can happen. But why the fuck are you shooting 70 yards trying to thread a fucking needle? You're not fucking Cameron Haynes. You're not Remy Warren. You're not some badass motherfucker. Give it up. Start taking closer shots. Get closer. Get better at your fucking stalking. This is absolutely ridiculous. I watched a video last night where a guy shot a fucking deer 3 times and never fucking recovered it. Like, seriously, what the fuck? We got to do better. This is absolutely fucking ridiculous. We need to be making better shots. We need to realize we're not fucking that badass. We're just fucking average. You know, we really should be taking shots, in my opinion. 50 yards or under. 40 would be even better. They definitely should be more broadside double lung shots. You really need to know where you're putting your arrow. I've had it happen to me myself back in Missouri hunting. I shot a doe too far back because I got excited with my traditional bow, and I wounded her, and she took off. We followed the blood for a while. She laid down. We let her sit for a while. We came back, found where she had bedded down for quite some while and bled for a while, and then she had got up and disappeared, and we didn't find her until the next day. She had ended up falling in the creek and floated downstream a ways where we finally found her. We found her, but it was meat that I didn't get to have. So I get it. It happens, but that was a close shot. I was close in. I just got excited. I mean, it was only 10 yards away, so it can happen. But we got to do better. We need to stop this. Hey, it's 70 fucking yards away. It's a big bull elk, or it's a big fucking mule deer, or whatever fucking animal you're after. Seriously, get it closer. Do a better fucking job of shooting. Be sure of where it's going. There's too much of this fucking wounding animals. I mean, I think I heard someone somewhere say that it's like 20% is all that is recovered of bow hunters. I don't know if that's true or not, but if it is, that's fucking terrible. We need to do better. We need to learn to fucking track our animals too. Put a better shot on them. You won't have to track them as fucking far. All right. Rant over. All right, bow hunters, let's do better. Let's make sure of these shots. Let's get closer. Let's get that double lung penetration shot. We've got to do better. We don't need to be losing fucking animals. It's ridiculous. And I get it. There's going to be a lot of Colorado bow hunters. They're going to be like, oh, it's all the out of staters. Maybe. But I can guarantee there's Colorado bow hunters out there. They're like, oh, I can shoot 100 yards. No problem. The fuck you can. In a high pressure situation, you're not fucking Cameron Haynes. You're not Remy Warren. You're not Corey Jacobson. You're none of these motherfuckers. So stop. Be sure of your shot. Get fucking closer. Know what the fuck you're doing and know how to track your fucking animal. All right, Shifted Hunter out. Let's get shifted.